Welcome to IELTS 678. In this lesson, we'll look at a common IELTS Speaking Part 1 question. Did you enjoy school? You'll hear how the answer improves from Band 6 to Band 7 to Band 8, and then we'll look at a few useful collocations you can reuse in your own speaking. Let's start with the Band 6 answer. At Band 6, the goal is to give a clear opinion, use simple vocabulary, and add a short reason. You do not need a very long answer, but it should sound natural and relevant.
Yes, I did, especially in high school, because I had close friends and supportive teachers, so school felt quite enjoyable.
Now let's move on to the Band 7 answer. At Band 7, the answer becomes clearer and more developed. You can explain your idea a bit more, use better linking, and include more useful topic vocabulary.
Yes, overall I did. I wouldn't say every lesson was exciting, but I really enjoyed the social side of school and the sense of routine it gave me, which made my daily life feel more structured.
And now the Band 8 answer. At Band 8, the answer sounds more fluent, precise, and flexible. You can show stronger idea development, more natural phrasing, and a wider range of vocabulary and grammar.
Yes, I genuinely enjoyed school, although it depended a lot on the subject. What I liked most was being part of a community, having a clear daily routine, and gradually building my confidence through class discussions, group projects, and extracurricular activities.
Before we finish, let's quickly look at a few key collocations from this lesson. First, supportive teachers. This means teachers who help you, encourage you, and make learning easier.
I was lucky to have supportive teachers who always encouraged me to ask questions.
Next, sense of routine. This means a feeling of structure and regularity in your daily life.
School gave me a sense of routine, which helped me stay organized.
And one more useful phrase, building my confidence. This means becoming more confident little by little through experience.
Joining school activities was really helpful for building my confidence.
Here's a quick speaking tip. For Part 1, give a direct answer first, then add one or two simple details. Try to sound natural, not memorized. It's better to speak clearly and confidently than to use difficult words you are not comfortable with. If this lesson was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to IELTS 678 for more IELTS speaking lessons. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.